Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a detailed review on this lovely purse, and this is from the brand name called Frame. I'm not sure if everybody is all familiar with this brand. They're actually they're based in Italy, and this is the bag looks like. I got this during the anniversary sale at Nordstrom, and I love it. I totally love the shape, the color, and the style of it. It's actually cute. This one is a crossbody bag, and I totally love this. Okay, so let's take a look at the handle. As you guys can see, this one is a very unique handle in it. The most interesting part of these is the strap. It's that this one is actually adjustable even though it is tiny. So all you have to do is just lift this one right here and it will come off. And then you could just adjust the setting. But since this one, they said this one is made up of Italian leather. I'm not really sure what that means. It could be like a vegan leather or a smooth leather, or I'm not really sure what the Italian leather is. They didn't really specify on the website, but they said this one is made up of leather. Anyway, this is how you adjust the handle right here. So you could just adjust this in a setting that you wanted, but in my case, I don't think I would do that because this one is already small, it's already tiny. So this is just to show you that this particular the handle is actually adjustable. So yeah, you just have to be very careful when doing that because you don't really want to ruin the leather. So anyway, look at those stitching right there. It is absolutely gorgeous. The detailed right here in front, those large stitching, that one is awesome. It looks so beautiful. It just makes me feel like this one is actually like the real handcrafted piece because of that stitching right there. So this is how it looks on the side and the back as well. You could adjust this handle right here. It's the same thing as what I did earlier. Okay. This one is on a smaller side. It has a small capacity though. And yeah, I think the length for this is 7 inches on its length, 6 inches on its height, and the width is 3.5 inches. So it is on a smaller and petite side though, but it's very cute. That's what sold me in this piece. Is that not only the style, but it is so cute. The color, the stitching right there, the hardware is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, let's take a look at inside. So this is the strap. The strap is kind of interesting on this. I have actually never seen how the strap was set up before. This is my first time to see the setting for this particular strap. But anyway, most of the time they just put the D-ring right here inside or any part of the purse, and you just have to attach the strap. But this one is actually unique. So anyway, the inside has a zip top closure right here, and this one has a leather pull tab. It's the same color as the purse. So on the inside, it is a large opening right here, and it has a pocket right here on the inside, just like a slip pocket right here. It's flat, and it says right there F. That's their logo, Frame. And this one has a Microsuede lining, very soft inside. It is in black color. So it also says on the inside, okay, oh wow, this one is actually removable though. It says there, made in Italy, but this one is like a board just to support the structure of this bag. That's actually interesting, and I was surprised that could come off, but probably the reasons why it's because of how they set up the crossbody strap. So here's how it works with the strap on this. This is very interesting. I've actually never seen this before. As you guys can see, the inside right here, the inside is actually right here. It's actually similar on the top handle though, but all you have to do is undo this, the inside, and then you can adjust the setting. You could pull this one right here, pull it up, and then adjust the setting. You could see, so let me just try to adjust this one on this particular setting, and then you just have to button it like this, and then the strap is now shorter. And if you wanted to adjust the setting according to your height, all you have to do is take this one out, pull it up, and then put it back on the original setting. So that's kind of unique though, but you could yeah, just like that. But you can just remove this strap entirely. So yeah, so that's it. That's how it looks on the inside. That's the setting. I'm not sure if you guys were able to see that. The inside, that's the setting right there, and on the other side as well. Very, very unique, and I really love the style of these. And another thing that I love about this purse is that it smells so good. I mean, the aroma of the real leather is actually smells so good. I mean, yeah, you could really tell that this one is made of genuine leather though. And I mean, this is more likely like if you just want to bring something as a catch-all, then this is actually like, it's like perfect, just like that. So let me get something as a comparison. I have my mini pochette right here, so it'll give you an idea, because this is in a smaller side. It'll give you an idea of the size. So this is my mini pochette, and of course mini pochette fits inside like that with no problems at all. So that's just the capacity inside. It has more room for your cosmetics, more room for your key, card holder, and other stuff. So that's the capacity for this beautiful, lovely frame bag. And this one is I got this one on sale, and now it is back on the regular price, and this one actually priced as $350 US. And yeah, this is the brand. I'm not sure if you guys are all familiar, but it is lovely. It is so cute. It's the cutest thing ever. And this one came with this size. This one came in with two sizes. Came in with two colors. We have the fuchsia and then this one, the cafe. What is the color? Cafe au lait. So that's the exact color. If you're wondering what is the exact color of these, it's more likely a taupe though. That's how I called it. But yeah, it is lovely. I would highly recommend it. It is so cute. It is so unique. It's very well crafted though, and very well thought of on the design. And this one, I forgot that this one didn't have a feet at all. So yeah, I didn't notice that until now. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.